Outstanding.
Welcome again to another beat making video. In this video, someone want to call it a Skillibeng, type of war type of beat, or a Rytikal war type of beat. Somewhere in the realms of a war type of beat. So, without further ado, and the bag of chatting and thing, let's get into this beat breakdown. As you can see, I have a lot of stuff here, so give me some time to get through them because more of them watch time they want to have. So please bear with me until this video ends. Now, I have accent strings here from Rapture Pro. Very nice string. So, and this is what it sounds like. This is the chord progression that I have for it. I'm playing in the key of F. I think it's F sharp minor. I don't want to get it wrong, something like that. But anyways, see the chord progression, and this is what it sounds like. So it is very simple. I think I have 3 different ways how I did it. So this is one of them. Also, as you can see, staccato like strings. I did it like that. And this is the other one. Next sound on this list also, I layered the sound like, and this is what it sounds like. Supreme Orchestra from SRX Orchestra. I think 2 of them is playing one time. This is what it sounds like. I have this cinematic harp here from Rapture Pro also. Turn it down a little bit, and this is the melody section of it. What I added to it, I added Fruity Love Filter and Fruity Reverb 2 with the Cathedral preset on it. So this is what it sounds like practically without it. So it sends it in the back of the speaker, sounding really awesome and all of that nice thing. So I have this next sound from Pigments called Icefall, something like that. It's a Pluck sound, and this is what it sounds like. Pretty much leave the preset as is. So I got that delayed sound in it also. Sounds really nice in a moment. This harp is from a stock plugin called Poison. And what I did, I switched it, I select, it wasn't this preset here, number 4. And what I did is practically change it from up to down and pretty much leave everything else as is. I think I changed the arpeggiated temp sync and leave it as is. So this is what it sounds like. What I also added to this is Futzbox with the cash register toy preset, and I pretty much added some filter to the sound and patcher with this some sort of preset. I'm not remembering which preset this is, and I adjusted a few knobs on this, and this is what it sounds like without it. With it, so it adds a little bit more depth to it because I really need it dark and aggressive. So I'm mostly focused on depth with this rhythm. So next sound on this list is Ever Harp. sound from Purity. It's an arpeggiated sound, and this is what it sounds like. Sounds like one of those horror movies. Next sound on this list is dancehall bass. I layered it with a bass from Omnisphere, and the bass here have this 2000 Outlaw from Dope VST bass engine. I add a parametric EQ to it, also filtering out the highs, and pretty much leave everything else as is, and this is what it sounds like. Layered with the bass from Omnisphere. I think a lot of y'all know that bass. JP8 triangle bass. So I have gotten a little bit more body on the bass, layering the bass for this particular instrumental. In most cases I don't, but for this one I just make an exception for that. Alright, another sound is another suspense sound from SRX Orchestra, and this is what it sounds like. To add some suspense to the beat. Next sound on this list, oh, the string is layered with this string here also from Sample Tank 4. I forgot the accent strings 3 is layered with cellos spiccato and violas spiccato, staccato and staccato string, and this is practically what it sounds like by itself. The main drum pattern here all these drum sounds are from my modern dancehall drum kit. You can head over to my website and grab yours today. Really awesome drum kit. I took some sound from another drum kit, Essential Dancehall Drum Kit, and the Dancehall Drum Kit Volume 2. I also took sounds from this percussion sound from it, orchestral sound, and this is also a hi-hat from the modern dancehall drum kit. This is practically what it sounds like. This is what the beat sounds like. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you enjoy this video. Hope you like this beat. It's a really wonderful beat. It's a boy Eldorado. Until I catch you in the next video, the next beat making video again. Peace out. Subscribe if you haven't already. Please do, because a lot of y'all watching the video and ain't subscribed. So please do subscribe, hit that bell notification button and select all notifications, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.